Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learning Information Technology with Teacher Stone. I ask that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and that you tell a friend to subscribe also. I want to remind you to turn on your notification bell so that you will know when new videos have been uploaded. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at performing charting operations. Charts or graphs are a great way of displaying numeric data in a meaningful way that the user can understand. Spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel has some charting tools that will allow us to summarize a set of data into an easy to understand picture. An advantage of using charts and graphs is that it reveals useful patterns and trends in the data. Let's get started. So I've gone ahead and I've placed some information here. So in column A, I have fruit. In column B, I have quantity. So I have 50 apples, 120 June plums, 200 mangoes, and 70 grapes. Now I want to see that information displayed on a chart. So I'm going to block that area there that has our data. And I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to head over to Recommended Charts. Now I have a variety to choose from. I can create a bar or column graph. I can create a line or area chart, and I can also do a pie chart. So I'm going to click on pie chart because I'm thinking that's what I want to create here. Now I have options here. I can do a 2D pie chart, I can do a 3D pie chart, or I can do a donut pie chart. I'm thinking I'm going to go with 3D pie chart. Yes. All right, so when we click on that, our chart comes up. But we don't want to leave it just like that. We want to make it appealing. So we're going to go ahead and change the title there. So I'm going to click in this box and I'm going to remove what is there. And I'm going to type in fruit tally because that's what our chart really does. It gives a tally of the fruits that we have. All right. Now, if we look at this, let me make it a little bigger so that we can see that clearly. All right. So this area here, it's the key to our chart. It shows that blue represents apple. The brown represents the June plum. The gray area represents the mango, and the burnt orange represents the grape. Now we notice by looking at our chart that we don't see an amount associated with each area of our pie chart. But if we hover over it, it will come up. But really, I would prefer if it is visible to our viewers. So I'm going to do something about it. If we notice here, we have some icons here. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, which is our chart elements. And we see 3 items here. We see chart title, data labels, and legend. Now we notice that 2 of these boxes are already checked. So we're going to check the third one, data labels. All right. And now we see that we now have our numbers that are associated with our fruits. I think I want to change the color and how this looks. So I'm going to click on this icon here, this little paintbrush. And when I click on that, I have options. So I can change the style and I can also change the color. Let's show you some styles. All right. All right. So we're seeing the changes being reflected there of what our chart can look like. All right. I think I like this one. That's nice. All right, so we're going back through. All right, so we have a wide variety to choose from when it comes to our charts. All right, so I'm going to select one of these. All right, and then I want to change the color. So I'm going to click on color And I'm thinking, because we're doing fruits, we're going to go for something that pops a little bit more. So I think I like this particular color palette. I'm liking the yellow. So I'm going to click on that. And there you go. Now we have our chart and we have our labels. So we know that this yellow section here is for mangoes and we can see the amount. Our June plum is represented by blue and we can see the amount. And our apples, 50, and our grapes, 70. We also see the percentage that each sector of our pie chart represents. Isn't that a beautiful chart? Yes, it is. All right, I hope that you learned something new. I thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and please share. See you next time.